A long-awaited upgrade, AirPods Pro 3. As always, Apple doesn't disappoint how they pack their products, especially the outer packaging. And here's the AirPods themselves. Well, what can I say? The box definitely got smaller, especially if we compare it to the last generation. Now it's a bit more rectangular. But I think I know the reason behind it. Alright, let's see if we get that controlled friction that Apple is famous for, because the iPhone box this year disappointed me. That's more like it. Some neatly packed paperwork again, the AirPods themselves, and the interchangeable foam-infused ear tips. This time with additional extra small size for even better fit. I guess that's for assist the claim of having twice the noise cancellation of the last generation. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. There used to be a USB-C to USB-C cable in here. And just to prove it to you, this is the AirPods Pro 2 box. And there we have it. Well, it's not braided, but Apple used to include them before. Maybe Apple just assumed that you have one laying around. I surely do. Yeah. But what if you don't? Well, Apple have a solution for that also. There is always a solution. I mean, that's still a bit cheeky. I'm sure this disease will spread into more products sooner or later, but we will see. Alright, the headphones themselves did change slightly. You probably can see if I compare them side by side with the previous model. The case grew in size a little bit, and the headphones themselves also changed design a bit. They now point inside your ear canal. I guess this is where the extra noise cancellation comes in. By having a better fit, you will have a better seal, and in return you will have better noise cancellation. And after using them for a while, I can say that yes, there is some improvement, but in my eyes, it's 20% increase in audio quality and 50% increase in noise cancellation. So here's my verdict. If you like the earplug style AirPods, and you have the first generation AirPods Pro, I'll suggest to upgrading to AirPods Pro 2. If you can find them for a good price. If you already have AirPods Pro 2 and you're considering an upgrade, I would only advise that if your budget allows it. The AirPods Pro 2 are still excellent headphones, and upgrading just for slight improvement is entirely up to you. And the budget. Well, that's all I have for you today. Next one we'll look at the Apple Watch unboxing and some user experience. I'll see you there.